Hey, shh! I bet you didn't know how to apply WooCommerce free shipping based on conditions in just 1 minute. Well, let me show you how. First of all, you'll need to download and activate YayPricing. In YayPricing settings, navigate to the Checkout Fee tab. From there, click on Add Rule and then select the Free Shipping Fee template. Now you'll be taken to the customization section that has already set 100% discount on the shipping fee. Next are some cool options to make your free shipping offer even better. You can indicate whether you want to show a tooltip on Hover or not. You can also decide whether to enable the schedule or maximum uses for the free shipping application. After activating this free shipping rule, it has been applied to the whole store. But we all know that sellers may have unique strategies for offering free shipping, and that's where the Conditions subtab comes in handy. First, click Add a Condition, and then choose from over 20 condition subjects such as order value, payment method, buyer roles, etc. Choose the corresponding value, save it, and done. If you want to make your offer even more engaging and interactive, you can visit the settings page to fully customize and organize all the pricing rules. More than that, YayPricing provides a wide range of other promotion types that can be used to create hundreds of promotional use cases to help you optimize your comprehensive pricing strategy. So why wait any longer? Try YayPricing for free today.